So we're traveling for the first time as a family of 4. It's been really interesting.
I want to go.
Yeah, we gotta wait until it takes off, okay?
Hi, my lovies. We're on the airplane. We're headed to, where are we going, Dash?
Jersey.
New Jersey. Harlow, you ready, Harlow? So we're traveling for the first time as a family of 4. It's been really interesting. That's why we're just now vlogging. Yes. But we're making it happen. This girl's hungry and sleepy.
Can I get high five? High five, Jersey! What you talking about, girl? You ready to ride the train, man? Yeah? Choo-choo! You got to say all aboard! All aboard! All aboard! All aboard! Choo-choo!
There goes New York City!
New York! New York!
1, 2, 3, 4!
You excited? You're excited to be off the plane?
We survived our first plane ride with 2 kids. 2 different than 1, y'all.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. But we made it.
Never would have made it.
Dash, what are you doing? This is our rental car. Do you like it? Rental car.
Bedtime.
Yes.
Going to Long Island seemed like a good idea though.
It never seemed like a good idea.
It's too late.
Our kiddos are tired. They've done a great job this far, and it's just time for bed. They would be asking too much. Way too much. I know, Mama. We're almost there. Look at this guy. It's okay, buddy.
So we are getting ready for bedtime. Everybody's taking their bath. And Daddy is putting up the pack and play. Fortunately, they put it up for me already. But I had to figure out how to put this monitor so that it could be in here. So we can close the door. Yes, we do have her in the bathroom. You gotta do what you gotta do as a parent. Yes, we sanitized everything and no, her head won't be by the toilet. Disclaimer. What I was trying to show y'all was ingenuity, boy. Look at that right there. Take that tissue paper, boy, that box, and angle it downward. Look at you. Check your boy out. All in that crib. All in that crib. Hey!
Look, Auntie Kyla. Look, Auntie Kyla. Ashley fish.
Yo,
It is 3
you just killed a fish.
We made a detour to Petco. The crab. The little things. And the free things that keep their interest.
Yeah, Charlotte, eat those. Just try to eat those.
Nemo, run away, Nemo. Oh my goodness, that's huge.
Elliot said, this is like a free trip to the zoo.
That's a rainbow one.
But really though, it really is.
What are you guys looking at?
It's right there and it's eating food. A mouse. It's just him alone.
It's a mouse.
A mouse eating food. It's just him. Oh, these are his food too. This is his food. Oh, look at that little.
Those are not the ones that change color.
Like talk. Now. She talks and plays.
Iguana.
It tried it. It wanted me to rub his eye.
Step up, Dash. Step up. There you go.
What's on? We go.
So we got back to the hotel. Harlow took a really good nap, 2.5 hours. I slept right beside her because I was not feeling good at all. I think it's the Chipotle that I ate last night with Trey. Lately when I've been eating Chipotle, it just totally messes me up and messes with my stomach and it's just not good. It doesn't agree with me. So that's my last time eating Chipotle and it put me out. That Trey took.
Could give me free Chipotle for life.
What? How can I do that?
To make up for the fact that it makes your stomach hurt, terrible quality product, they can give me free Chipotle.
Oh, yeah, because he loves Chipotle. He could eat it like every day, like if he wanted to, but no. But we're just kind of hanging out a little bit before the big event that brought us here in the first place, which is Gampy's 80-year-old birthday party and celebrating him. And so we are going to chill out before we head over to that. Did you find the umbrella? Ooh.
Is going to be a wonderful, 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 wonderful night. All right? So let's bow our heads and we will bless the food.
His birthday coming up. My daughter told me, she says, Daddy, just show up.
So somehow Minion, what do you call those things? Piñata ended up at my grandfather's 80th birthday. Tribute to our heritage in Central America. Thank you, Soraya, for this.
Look, you want candy? Look, come here. All right.
Easton, let's do it.
Come this way. Christian, hold it up. Wait, hold on.
Somehow, this isn't
Easton's
the
gonna pull
usual,
all of them.
the traditional. You gotta pull the string. See the string?
Oh, this is a real pinata?
It's a real pinata.
Pinata.
All right.
Easton.
One, pull it hard. No, wait. No, everyone don't pull at once.
How about
Pull it. Pull this one.
E.
Okay.
That ain't it.
Who's the next one you want to pick?
I know which one.
You want blue? Here you go.
Pull it, man.
Pull it hard.
Hard. That ain't it.
Wait, he has to go get this one. Pull it harder.
Pull it.
Pull it harder.
That ain't it, bro.
One.
What happened to the
Y'all gotta pull.
What happened to the baseball bat one?
Auntie Carly said she don't got nothing for y'all to pull. Y'all gotta pull harder. Easton, come. Pull it, Easton, pull it.
Dash, go ahead, pull it. Pull it.
You said you
Go
ahead.
This doesn't look like it's gonna work.
This don't look like it's gonna work, dude.
What, 5 left?
Uh-oh.
So, what has to be the one? Look at the brown.
Uh-oh.
This from Walmart.
This look. Hey! Hey, get it, Dash! Get it, Dash! Yo, whose grandma put these strawberry candies in here? Look at the strawberry candies. Them so old school. The strawberry candies? It's crazy. It's like handing out licorice. Y'all, we closing out this trip. We made it to the airport after 2 flight delays. Supposed to leave at like 6:30. Got delayed at 7:30, then 8:15. We got this little one who decided to finally knock out. And this guy started taking a nap too. And y'all pray for us. So far so good. Right, babe? You hanging in there? You gotta encourage your spouse or significant other down this key journey. Lord have mercy.
Sorry, guys. No worries, thank you. What are you about to get, Dash?
Wings.
Wings! Whoa!
We ain't talking chicken wings neither, y'all. Y'all
What is it?
Back on that later?
yes.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Uh-oh, who's giving you wings?
Here you go.
Cap giving you wings?
Put it on your shirt, alright?
Wow! You say thank you?
You're welcome.
Then you got me some too? Thank you.
Yeah, just tell the co-pilot up there.
Okay. Come on, you want to go see the co-pilot? Let's go, hop in. You ready? Look, say, excuse me, Mr. Co-pilot. Captain told me to say hello. No, don't touch anything. You say hello.
You want to hop up there and get your picture?
You want to take a picture?
Come on. We'll go and give you a hat.
Wow.
Here, let me take your back.
Oh, yeah.
Hop up there.
Thank you.
Got it?
Wow, Dash.
Alright.
How cool is that?
Turn around and smile and get your picture.
Look at Daddy.
Turn around.
Say cheese. She said sit first and then you slide. Go ahead. Go ahead. Put that leg down.
Oh, gosh. No, I'm not. Oh, not eating. Why